welcome back to the vlog.
So as you can see, we bought a new vehicle together. We've got a Suzuki Jimny 2011 model, and just so we can go 4x4ing and get us to better places in the Transkei and somewhere else in like Drakensberg or something.
Yeah, so currently we're up in Wild Lubanzi in the Transkei. We initially came here to film a small pizza and winery workshop that's going to be happening at the end of the year.
And then in our spare time, we're going to be like exploring around here like we always do. Go 4x4ing in our new car. We're meeting a friend here.
Enjoying the beaches. There's been very good weather.
But the water's cold. So yeah, let's go explore Wild Lubanzi together.